Hi, I'm Angel Nightingale. Welcome to my channel. Dive into a world of diverse content that enriches your mind and soul. Discover the benefits of herbs and spices, explore mini episodes for adults tackling real-life situations, and enjoy kids' stories and educational videos for all ages. Immerse yourself in the beauty of nature with videos on animals and waterfalls and learn tips for skin and hair health. Plus, enjoy a variety of music to soothe your soul. Join our community and experience the magic of learning, nature, and wellness. Subscribe now and never miss an update.
Blood orange olive oil cake. I've seldom met a cake I didn't like, so it's hard to pick a favorite, but if I absolutely had to, this olive oil cornmeal cake would be it. I've long preferred olive oil cakes for their wonderfully tender crumb and depth of flavor, and that goes doubly so for the toothsome texture of this cornmeal flecked version. On top of its lovely texture, this cake has a delightful flavor, suffused with the sweetness of freshly squeezed blood orange juice and fragrant bits of zest that edge toward bitter in the best way possible. This cake is a symphony of simple tastes. Extra virgin olive oil contributes a fruity nose, while a restrained amount of sugar makes way for the essence of the blood orange, with its complex sweetness and fragrant bittersweet zest coming through in each bite. If blood oranges aren't available, cara or regular oranges make a nice substitute. Since you'll be eating the entire fruit, zest and all, try to source organic citrus when possible. Ingredients: cooking spray or extra virgin olive oil, 1 medium blood orange, 1 1/4 cups all-purpose flour, half a cup medium grind cornmeal, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda,
1/4 teaspoon fine salt,
2/3 cup plus 2 tablespoons granulated sugar divided, half a cup whole milk plain yogurt, 3 large eggs, half a cup extra virgin olive oil. For paper-thin half-moon-shaped blood orange slices, optional. Instructions: arrange a rack in the middle of the oven and heat to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Grease a 9 by 5 inch loaf pan with cooking spray or oil. Set aside. Using a vegetable peeler, remove the zest from the orange. Cut the zest into thin strips and set aside. Juice the orange and set aside a 1/4 cup. Save the remaining juice for another use. Whisk the flour, cornmeal, baking powder, baking soda, and salt together in a medium bowl. Set aside. Whisk 2/3 cup of the sugar and the 1/4 cup blood orange juice together in large bowl. One at a time, whisk in the yogurt, eggs, and olive oil. Whisk the flour mixture into the wet ingredients, giving the mixture 20 good turns with the whisk until just combined. Fold in the zest strips. Transfer the batter into the prepared pan. Top with the blood orange slices and remaining 2 tablespoons sugar. Bake until the top is springy and golden brown, and a wooden skewer inserted in the center comes out with just a few crumbs attached. 50 to 60 minutes. Let the cake cool in the pan on a wire rack for 20 minutes. Carefully unmold the cake, flip it back to be right side up, and return to the rack to cool completely. Recipe notes: storage. The cake can be stored in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days.
cardamom blackberry linzer cookies. Ingredients: 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 cup roasted salted almonds, 2 to 3 teaspoons ground cardamom, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 cup unsalted butter, softened, half a cup plus 1 teaspoon sugar, divided, 1 large egg, room temperature, 1 jar, 10 ounces, seedless blackberry spreadable fruit, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 3 tablespoons confectioner's sugar. Directions: in a food processor, combine half a cup flour and the almonds, pulse until almonds are finely ground. Add cardamom, salt and remaining flour, pulse until combined. In a large bowl, cream butter and half a cup sugar until light and fluffy, 5 to 7 minutes. Beat in egg. Gradually beat in flour mixture. Divide dough in half. Shape each into a disc, wrap. Refrigerate 1 hour or until firm enough to roll. Preheat oven to 350 degrees. On a lightly floured surface, roll each portion to 1/8 inch thickness. Cut with a floured 2 inches round cookie cutter. Using a floured 1 inch round cookie cutter, cut out the centers of half of the cookies. Place solid and window cookies 1 inch apart on greased baking sheets. Bake 10 to 12 minutes or until light brown. Remove from pans to wire racks to cool completely. In a small bowl, mix spreadable fruit, lemon juice and remaining sugar. Spread filling on bottoms of solid cookies, top with window cookies. Dust with confectioner's sugar.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss out on the best contents. Have a beautiful and blessed day to each and everyone.